Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss the top 5 AI trends to look out for in 2023. Artificial intelligence has been rapidly evolving and it's important to stay updated with the latest trends. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Natural language processing. AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa have already become a part of our lives. But in 2023, we can expect even more advancements in natural language processing. This technology will enable machines to understand and respond to human language more accurately and contextually. Number 2. Autonomous vehicles. We've all heard about self-driving cars, but the year 2023 will witness a significant leap in this technology. Autonomous vehicles will become more reliable and safer as AI algorithms improve. We can expect to see more self-driving taxis and delivery drones hitting the roads and skies. Number 3. Healthcare revolution. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, and 2023 will be a game changer. From early disease detection to personalized medicine, AI will play a crucial role. Machine learning algorithms will analyze vast amounts of patient data to provide accurate diagnoses and treatment plans. Number 4. Augmented reality. AR technology has already made its mark in the gaming and entertainment industry, but in 2023, we can expect it to become more integrated into our daily lives. AI will enhance AR experiences by recognizing objects and people, providing real-time information, and creating more immersive environments. Number 5. Cybersecurity. As AI continues to advance, so does the complexity of cyber threats. In 2023, AI will be used extensively in cybersecurity to detect and prevent cyber attacks. Machine learning algorithms will analyze patterns, identify anomalies, and fortify our digital defenses. That's it for today's video on the top 5 AI trends to look out for in 2023. Make sure to comment below which trend you're most excited about. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.